political influence. From super chats to memberships to overseas donations, these are the top political YouTube channels in Jamaica right now and their realistic income potential. Stay to the end because number one earns more than most people imagine. Welcome back to CCN World TV News, your home for Jamaica's digital power ranking. This list is based on live viewers, subscriber size, engagement, diaspora support, donation culture, upload consistency. Now let's count down Jamaica's top listened to political YouTube channels with their realistic earnings. Number 10, Third Term Loading. 8.5k subscribers, Daily Political Live. This channel has a small but fiercely loyal base. Estimated monthly income, ad revenue,